This is a quick tutorial for students for signing on to Schoology for the first time. You'll go to this website, rsu39.schoology.com. And if you're not already signed into your school email address, the one that ends in @student.rsu39.org, you're going to need to log into that. Once you've logged in, that's it. You're in Schoology and you will have a course dashboard that shows any courses you're enrolled in. Over here, you'll have recent activity that if anything's been posted, you can see anything that's posted in any groups or classes that you're in. Over here, you'll see any assignments that might be overdue or due, any events that have been planned that you need to be aware of. You'll have messaging available up here, calendar, resources, groups, and courses. Yours might look a little different as a student, but these are the general things you'll see once you're in. So the big piece will be going into your classes and exploring and learning, and your teacher will surely tell you more about what is in each of your classrooms on Schoology and what you need to do with those materials and information and assignments. Good luck!